Bismillah ar-Rahman. Your Excellency Mr. Durmus Bastug Consul General of Republic of Türkiye, Mr. Nurettin Demir, Commercial Attaché, distinguished guest and member of this chamber, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It is an honor for me to welcome His Excellency Consul General of Republic of Türkiye to Pakistan and Mr. Nurettin Demir, Commercial Attaché. Pakistan and Turkey share religious and cultural relationship, making our relationship that has stood the test of time, as follow Islamic countries and vibrant democracies. We are united by shared values, aspirations, and a common agenda of collective prosperity of both countries. We are heartened to note that both countries have committed to enhancing bilateral cooperation across various sectors. As focused by various government to government meetings in the past few years, we are thankful that Turkey is also an important investment partner as a number of Turkish firms are working in Pakistan in the domains of energy, finance, and infrastructure projects. We believe that both Turkey and Pakistan must harness each other's strengths and expertise to drive mutual progress and prosperity. Despite the cordiality that exists between the two brotherly countries, trading ties have yet to realize their full potential. The total trade volume of the calendar year between Turkey and Pakistan stood at 733 million US dollars, showing a significant decrease from the preceding year 2022, in which total bilateral trade was $1.25 billion. I believe that the present trade figures are not reflective of our true potential. It is essential to foster closer business. 1 2023 is a step in the right direction to serve as a valuable framework for facilitating bilateral trade. In this regard, I request Your Excellency support in creating linkages between the private sector of Turkey with Sialkot to source high quality Pakistani products which hold considerable demand in Turkey. I may mention here that Sialkot enjoys a positive reputation for enhancing for excellence in these sectors, and our exporters are fully geared to provide quality goods provided that an enabling environment is created for business communities of the two countries to interact and partner freely. I may propose sending a trade delegation from Sialkot to Turkey. I like to propose that the exporters of Sialkot be facilitated in the acquisition of long-term business visa upon the recommendation of Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Allow me to share with Your Excellency that the Sialkot Chamber issues business visa recommendation letters to its members through a strict security process, facilitating their international business endeavors. The visa recommendations letters of the Sialkot Chambers are acknowledged by the Foreign Mission in Pakistan to grant visas to our members on these recommendations. I may now take this opportunity to give a brief introduction to the bustling industry city of Sialkot and the remarkable contribution made by the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the representative body of the private sector in Sialkot. Towards the economic development of Pakistan, Sialkot has cultivated a vibrant small and medium-sized enterprises SME culture that is highly conducive to business collaboration and joint ventures across a diverse spectrum of industries. The exporters hailing from Sialkot exhibit a profound understanding of international trade regulations and requirements, leading to an impressive annual export value exceeding 2.31 billion US dollars. Your Excellency would be pleased to note that the Sialkot Chamber has not only pursued business excellence but has also undertaken commendable initiatives for social sector development and welfare of the people. Our concerted efforts, driven by the active participation and generous contribution of our esteemed members have borne fruit in the form of transformative projects that have left a positive impact on our region. The projects initiated by the Sialkot Chamber include the Sialkot International Airport, the Sialkot Dry Port Trust, the Sialkot City Development Program, the Sialkot Export Processing Zone, the Sialkot Business and Commerce Center, the Sialkot Tannery Zone, Child Social Development. Give a comprehensive insight into our industrial landscape and to give a briefing on the extensive development of welfare efforts undertaken by the business community of Sialkot. A documentary will be presented after my speech. I may sum up by thanking Mr. Durmus Bastug, Consul General of the Republic of Türkiye, and Mr. Nurettin, Commercial Attaché, for visiting this chamber. I hope that today's meeting will set the foundation for stronger and mutually beneficial trading relations between Pakistan and Turkey. I thank you all.